Hello everybody, SAP Sinpo here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to find and adjust memories on Facebook memories. So it's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and then go to the three dot menu here and you can see an option that memories. So click on that. After come to this page, just click to the settings option in the top right side. So after that, come to the page, you can see my option is settings on none option. So if you want to get all memories from day by day in last years or last couple of years, all like that, so you can click to the all memories and Facebook will send you notification for all the memories you uh, uh, created on last years. So if you want to hide memories from people, just type their name and just select on their name. So uh, you can also just remove dates from there. uh, Start and ending is just select the start and end date and click to the save option. So that's the process how you can find and adjust memories on Facebook memories. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.